Do you often say that vegetables and salads are so boring, they lack flavor, textures, and they're always just a bunch of leaves and you have no inspiration on how to make them better? Well, clearly, you're not subscribed to my website, Spoonful of Felicity, where I post a new recipe every week that's full of mood-boosting ingredients that are great for your gut microbiome and your physical and mental well-being, but that are also so exciting and full of flavor. Here's a sneak peek at some of the recipes that I've posted to my subscribers recently, and you can find lots of information in the description on how to subscribe and how to get your hands on some of these delicious, vegful, but also flavorful recipes. There's some tomato and ricotta tart, a grilled peach and gorgonzola salad, creamy baba ganoush with grilled halloumi and fattoush salad, and even a harissa and peanut butter dressing with barbecued watermelon.